not sure if this sale's still going on, but I wanted to tell you about it. I don't know if you've ever heard of Annie's Kits, but if you're a crafter at all, they have all these different kinds of kits. There's needlework kits, so crocheting or knitting, and there's card making, and just a bunch of different kinds of kits. And I think they have this one where they send you some different type of craft every month so you can explore different kinds of crafts. Well, for Black Friday, they had, I think it was like 90% off. It's usually like $20-ish a month. And I think I got these for $4 each. So that's 75% off, maybe not 90, but I think they've still got a sale going on, maybe for a couple more days. I don't know when this is going to be until, but I thought I'd at least give you a heads up. The first one I got was it's a card making one. It's got this, I believe, is a piercing tool and some stuff to piercings, like a sharp tool where you poke holes like in your paper. And then here is, this says Sweet Birthday. These are the cards you can make. And then it comes with paper. And then it comes with some little decorative dots. And it's got some ribbon. And then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps. It says, have a sweet birthday. You can never have too many sprinkles, sweet wishes, and a little heart. And then the envelopes come with it too. So I got all of this for $4-ish. And this piercing tool thing is probably, and then it comes with, I think it comes with directions inside somewhere. Let's see, oh, it's $4.99. Plus tax and shipping. And then the other one I got, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I'm not real good at this, but it's a crochet one, and it attracted me because it's a give back kind of thing. It's fashion chemo caps. And it's got all the stuff to make this chemo cap. I think they could make 2 out of here because there's 2 different skeins of yarn. There's this pinkish one and this purpley one, and then this scarfy thing too. And it's got the directions of how to do it. I'm not a real good crocheter, but I'd like to try and figure this out because, you know, it's something, I think you can either send these back to them and they'll make sure chemo patients get them, or if you know, like Linda Skidmore does little packets she puts together for people in the hospital, and I bet I could send these to her and she'd find a good home for them. So this is a short little video. I just wanted to, oh, here, look, I also got 3 crochet hooks and a crochet needle. So just those alone are worth the $5-ish that I paid for this. And here's all the stitch guide. I'm not very good at reading stitch guides, so we'll see how this goes. Not the best crocheter in the world, but we'll see if I can figure it out. Maybe they have a video I can watch, you know, YouTube video or something that I can watch to see how better to do it. I bet they do, or everybody does nowadays. So if you're into crafting at all, they have a good deal right now on Annie's kits, and they're usually $20 a month, and it's an ongoing thing. You get it every month, but I don't want to do that, so now that I have these, I'm going to cancel. Get my cheap ones and then bail on them. I'm sure they take the chance that that'll happen. But I don't really want to consistently get this stuff because it's too much to keep up with. So I'm not going to do it. But I did want to at least get the cheap ones. So if you're into crafting, I recommend going into Annie's Kits and go check them out. I will see you all soon.